Welcome to Lesson 4 of our ZSH Shell tutorial. Today we'll learn how to view and edit files in the terminal. You'll master cat, less, head, tail, and text editors. Let's dive in. The cat command displays the entire contents of a file. Cat is short for concatenate because it can combine multiple files. Use cat file.txt to see what's inside. Add the -n flag to show line numbers. Cat is best for small files since large ones scroll past quickly. Let's see cat in action. First, we'll create a file with some content. Now let's use cat to display it. There's our file contents. Adding -n shows line numbers. We can also concatenate multiple files together. Cat outputs both files in sequence. Less is an interactive file viewer for larger files. Unlike cat, less lets you scroll and search through the file. Use the arrow keys or spacebar to navigate. Press / followed by text to search forward. Press N to jump to the next search result. Press Q to quit and return to the shell. Let's try less with a longer file. First, we navigate to our demo directory. We create a file with 50 lines of content. Now we open it with less. Pressing space moves to the next page. Let's search for line 25 using /. Found it. Press N to find the next match. Press Q to exit less. Head and tail show the beginning or end of files. Head displays the first 10 lines by default. Use head -20 to see the first 20 lines. Tail shows the last 10 lines by default. The -f flag with tail is super useful. Tail -f watches a file for new content in real time. Perfect for monitoring logs. Let's see head and tail in action. First, we navigate to our demo directory. We create a file with 30 numbered lines. Head shows the first 10 lines by default. Head -5 shows just the first 5 lines. Tail shows the last 10 lines by default. Tail -5 shows the last 5 lines. We can pipe head into tail to get lines from the middle. Sometimes you need to edit files directly in the terminal. Nano is a beginner-friendly editor that's easy to learn. It shows keyboard shortcuts at the bottom of the screen. Ctrl-O saves the file, Ctrl-X exits. For more power, there's Vim or NeoVim. Vim has a steeper learning curve, but is incredibly powerful. Let's edit a file with Nano. First, we create a simple file. Now we open it in Nano. We can type to add new content. Ctrl-O saves our changes. Ctrl-X exits the editor. Let's verify our changes with Cat. Let's recap Lesson 4. Cat displays entire files quickly. Less lets you page through and search large files. Head and tail show the beginning and end of files. Nano and Vim let you edit files in the terminal. Next up, ZSH configuration and customization. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. Coming up next, configuring ZSH with .zshrc, aliases, and custom prompts. See you in the next lesson.